Choppy, Team Choppy, Choppy Strong, awareness. That's what this brand is based on, awareness. Bringing awareness to different chronic diseases / illness that many of us suffer in our community. Growing up in New York City, Brooklyn, the people, I will say, that raised me, I knew as I got older, I wasn't taught right. I wasn't raised right. And that's something to admit, and it's okay to admit as an adult. Why? Because it's about being aware. And once you're aware of these things, it's time to take control, the choppy way. If you was, how I would say, raised right, then you understand the importance of staying active, the importance of vitamins, the importance of fruits, the importance of protein. And last yet not least, the importance of comfort. Yes, comfort when training. Clothes don't make you, you make the clothes. Yet comfortability comes from within. Train the choppy way. Stay active. Stay fit. Arms up. Choppy. Team Choppy.